Hi everyone, in this video we're going to show you how Locksmith is coding a new 2020 Mazda CX-3 key fob. This key fob used for different models, different years. This procedure is also relevant for all Mazda key fobs and transponder keys. Spatial coding machine is needed, no self-coding. Please like this video and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.
Hello everybody, we're working on a 2020 Mazda CX-3. We have an aftermarket remote that we're going to try to program into this vehicle. So we're going to select the correct key. Key learning. All smart keys lost since we don't have any working keys. The ignition is not turned all keys 1 meter away, so we're going to put the new keys away from the car. Press and hold the start button. When it changes color, we can let it go. Now the ignition is on. Now we gotta wait 7 minutes for the system to configure itself. When it does, we're gonna hear the horn go off once, and that will tell us that it's okay to start programming the fobs. So we will continue. Okay everybody, so we're back. We just programmed this key, so now we're gonna do another one because 2 keys are required. So it's telling me to turn the ignition on using the keys, so we press it once, twice, and just leave it right there for the car to recognize it. And press OK. So you literally hold it right by the button there. And we're waiting for it to say 2 keys programmed. There we go. 2 keys are programmed. We're good. And we do not want to program the next one. On is good. 2 is good. Car starts, we're good to go. That's how you program the keys. Thanks for watching, guys.